up, guys? I'm gonna do the full range test on the Apollo Phantom from battery 100% all the way down to 0. Tires are pumped, battery is fully charged. According to the Phantom, I have 47 miles remaining. This thing is advertised to go 40 miles. I'm guessing I'm gonna go around 33 miles based on my weight of around 210 pounds with all my gear on and everything. And I'm gonna hit a few hills. Nothing too crazy, but there will be a few. And I'm gonna track it with 2 GPS apps, so one on the Android phone and one on the iPhone. Anyways, if you guys enjoy this type of stuff, smash that subscribe button. Let's get started. So I did the range test in one go, partly because I also wanted to see if the scooter can actually handle being ridden that long, and it had no issues, no overheating, no abnormalities, nothing. Everything was good to go, and I did hit a few hills. Now I did tighten the front suspension because from the factory it does come a bit soft, especially when you're going under the fastest speeds, which reaches a little over 40 miles an hour. This is in mode 3 and in sport mode. And the cool thing about the scooter is you could pretty much get to those speeds no matter how low the battery is, which is always an awesome thing. Jumping to the comfort level, I would say that the scooter is fairly comfortable, especially when you're going that fast, and that's because it has wide handlebars and it has a long enough deck that you can easily place your feet. However, going that fast, I always recommend wearing a lot of protection. I have a lot of protection on just in case I fall. I'll put those product links in the description below if you guys are interested. And finally, for the braking, I personally lean back when I'm going fast, when I'm hitting the brakes, just because I feel like they do stop abruptly, or can, so you do have to be careful with them. And here's where the battery dies. It says error 6 on the screen, shuts off, and it's done. The battery is completely dead, can't turn it on, nothing. Now jumping into the results, both the iPhone and the Galaxy S21 had very similar numbers, essentially getting me 29.2 miles of range, which is 47 kilometers. Now, this is a little bit less than what I was expecting, but it's still very good considering the fact that I climbed 1,659 feet, which is 506 meters, and I was around 210 pounds with everything on, which is around 95 kilograms. And most of the time I was going as fast as the scooter can take me. So very, very impressed with the scooter. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.